Hey guys, csailors here, Great Southern Yachts. Got the Luhrs 29 Open Shenanigans behind me. Gonna do a little walkthrough with you. Alright, this is Shenanigans. It is a 2002 Luhrs 29 Open that has been lift kept. She is painted seafoam green. That was done back around 2012. Still looks really good. You can see that well in the video. Nice tower on this boat. I'm gonna walk you around and check it out. Alright guys, we are aboard Shenanigans. I'm gonna walk around and show you a little bit. The Eisenglass around the cockpit here, that's all new this year. Still perfectly clear, no scratches in that. It's been on the boat since new. Hasn't been taken off. Cushions in pretty good shape, guys. No rips, tears in it. It's not perfect, but in good shape. At the helm, we got trim tabs. We got SIMRAD Autopilot. Brand new SIMRAD 16-inch screen. She is a 2002. Not everything's been touched. As you can see, everything's not perfect. Good running, mechanically rigged boat. Got motors that were put in 2011 and 2012 Yanmars. They'll run this boat about 20 miles an hour for cruise speed. You're gonna see the deck there. That was cut out to put in a new NextGen Generator that's got 16 hours on it right now. Wasn't redone. Just want to let you know about that. No surprises there. Look up, teaser reel set up there. Great little tower on this boat. I'll jump up there and show you. Fish box back here, easy access, live well as well. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you downstairs. Alright, we are downstairs on Shenanigans. Got our breaker panel up there, switch panel, genset panel. Like I said, she's not brand new, but she is priced right and great boat. Not full of mold down here. There's a humidifier there behind me. Everything's pretty clean. Just give you a shot of everything. A nice little table. Move these life jackets. There. Little sink, cooktop, refrigerator. Little head area with the sink. So nice little open boat. Not perfect. She's a 02, but not a bad boat to get you out there on the water. Runs mechanically sound. Go fishing. Alright, we are up top on Shenanigans. Little view of the bow from up here. There's a brand new SIMRAD radar up here to go with that 16-inch screen downstairs. There's controls up here that are operational. Upholstery's nice up here. Nice little comfy spot. I drove the boat when I first listed it from up here. Nice little shade, keep you out of the sun. Boat does have outriggers. That's about it up here, guys. We're gonna head back down. There's a life raft. I think that thing's out of date though. Alright guys, we're up here on the bow of the Shenanigans. There is a newer windlass. A little bit of fiberglass damage there. Show you the bow. Get another shot of the new Eisenglass there. Up top. Nice tower, canvas, controls again, outriggers on the boat. Guys, that life draft is out of date. Just a reminder there. But great boat again, guys, mechanically sound. Look forward to talking to you about it. If y'all have any questions, please let me know.